What's the level, what's the life, what's the level, what's the life? Back outside, we out here at Lo-Fi's album listening launch. No song out right now, and I'm here with
Anze Silwane somhlolo manje lapha kwalambile wathola umfana idlula kanjani bathi mhlola yaqala lapho nje
wentombi endala wena usebenzisa umfana kasikekekete fokankomo huwelo osuqashiya phakama abantu emazweni bathi silwane kanti huwelo athi basheshe bayikhwela
so ngibonile i-performance yakho ubulele ufila kanjani ukubona ukuthi abantu bayaconnecta nomculo wakho lo baconnecta ngakhona ngawo?
Bengijabule mfethu kakhulukazi ngenxa yokuthi ke amina ama-slime la yazi i-fan base akamabulala ama-slime kakhulu so I was a little bit worried ukuthi hey what if yabo but for ukuthi kundlule leyo nto leyo abantu bangijabulela still kungijabulise kakhulu.
So ucabangani ngalento enzakala manje ngoba i-hip hop le siyibona manje impumelelo ye-hip hop i-artist le-hip hop eliyenza lento eliyenzayo uzizwa kanjani ngalento enzakala la?
Proud mfethu but ngale kwaloko siyafunda kakhulu because mfethu kuthiwa kufunda komdala nakomncane and to see omabulala doing this so early yabo moving ngendlela e-right kanjena mfethu it's so inspiring because thina coming up besingayicabanga ngale ndlela we just wanted to nje kuphela yabo so bona also taking serious side le business it's really impressive.
So ama-fans wakho anga-expecta nini umculo omusha?
Maduze mfethu maduze siyapheka nje kahle we almost done so yeah.
Any collaboration noSjava ngoba siyazi ukuthi manithu niyabulala into eniyenzile ku Never Ride nichangeisana ngeflow nishaya i-trap and pass niphasana ngeflow abantu bayithandile lento and ngathi abantu banithanda manithu so singa-expecta umculo kini noyi-two more especially singa-expect i-project yeni niyi-two na.
Inkosi mayivumile mfethu because now also for ukuthi lalezo ingoma ukuthi zenzeke yabo it's not like sasiyiplan 2 years back kwenzeka nje isikhathi mase sivumile mfethu izinto zifola into place yabo so I can't really say we gonna have a joint project or sazosebenza isimo nje sisovuma masivumile bese kuyalenda konke.